This flight was made under real weather conditions using Real Weather Connector and SkyMax. It was a short flight from Kastrup, Denmark to Hamburg Airport in Germany. On my last flights I experienced some unexpected plane crashes. Problem was that I changed some parameters and integrated some new plugins, so I didn't know what was the real cause. In fact, I had to reconstruct my last changes and eliminate them step by step until I reached again a stable X-plane flight situation. On this short flight reaching the top of climb under advices of X-Life-ANC, I had immediately to program from center given runway, star and approach information into FMC. My landing was under UCIVL's Category 1, and I wasn't sure that I can land because of low clouds formation and heavy fog.
200.
At flight level of 1,000 feet I could finally recognize runway and PAPI lights. It is usually the flight level 1 disconnect the autopilot, landing airline
100. 50, 40, 30, 20, 10, 5.
Next landing should be good, sir.
As usual, I am analyzing my landing scene also from outside as in this short video. I was satisfied with the result, but got again from the A330 program a bad noting, not knowing exactly why.